In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tabs in Confluence using the tabs macro. Creating tabs can significantly improve the organization of your content, allowing you to present information in a structured and visually appealing way. So let's dive right in and get started. First, ensure you're logged in to your Confluence account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the necessary plugins and settings that will enable you to create tabs. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Apps section. Hover over it and you'll see the option to explore more apps. Click on this. Here is where you'll find a variety of plugins that can enhance your Confluence workspace. Next, use the search bar to find the plugin titled Tabs for Confluence. Once located, proceed to install it. Installation may take a few moments, so be patient while it gets set up. Now move on to the Confluence page where you intend to add the tabs. This could be an existing page or a new one depending on your needs. Once you're on that page, determine the exact spot where you'd like to place the tabs. Click on this location to set your cursor there and then type Mosh Tabs in the text editor. You'll see a list of options pop up. Select tabs from this list to initiate the process of creating new tabs. Now comes the fun part, crafting your tabs. Each tab needs a title, so think about the content you'll be placing and what overarching titles would make sense for each section. To enhance the visual appeal, add icons to your tabs. Icons act as a visual cue and can make your tabs easier to navigate at a glance. Also set the text alignment according to your preference. Whether you want the text to align left, right, or center, you have the flexibility to choose here. If you need to add more sections, click on the plus add tab button. This allows you to create additional tabs as required. As you build out your tabbed sections, consider how you want them to display horizontally across the page or stacked vertically. Setting the tab group direction helps in optimizing the space and ensures a clean layout. Within the tab's appearance settings, you have further customization options. Choose a header style that suits your theme, an accent color that complements your brand, and decide whether you want borders around your tabs or prefer a borderless look. Finally, after you've made all your customizations, click Save to commit your changes. This final step makes your newly configured tabs live on the page, ready for use. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating tabs in Confluence with the tabs macro. This method not only streamlines information, but also enhances user engagement by making navigation straightforward and intuitive. So go ahead, try it out in your Confluence space, and see the difference it makes.